All right, gamers, tech lovers, and PC enthusiasts. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming processor, you're in the right place. Your CPU is the heart of your gaming PC, and picking the wrong one? Yeah, that's a one-way ticket to Lag City. And trust me, no one wants that. Today, we're counting down the top 8 best processors for gaming PCs. Kicking things off at number 1, we have the king of gaming processors, the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. This 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse is built for gamers who want insane FPS, zero lag, and buttery smooth performance. Thanks to AMD's 3D V-Cache technology, this CPU delivers outrageously fast speeds in AAA titles. We're talking next-level gaming with crazy low latency, meaning you're getting every frame possible for the smoothest gameplay ever. Now, I won't lie. This beast isn't cheap, and you'll need a solid cooling system to keep it from running hot. But if you're a serious gamer who wants the absolute best experience, the Ryzen 7 9800X3D is the ultimate flex for your gaming setup. Coming in at number 2, we've got the AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D. And trust me, this is a gamer's dream CPU. With 8 cores, 16 threads, and AMD's crazy fast 3D V-Cache, this chip delivers outstanding FPS without burning a hole in your wallet like some high-end CPUs. It's super efficient, meaning less heat, lower power consumption, and more raw gaming power. The only catch? You'll need a compatible motherboard to unlock its full potential. But if you're looking for one of the best gaming CPUs on the market, without going all in on price, this bad boy is the way to go. At number 3, we have Intel's Core Ultra 9 285K, and this thing is an absolute beast for multitasking. With a crazy 24-core setup, 8 performance cores, plus 16 efficiency cores, this CPU can game, stream, edit videos, and run a million Chrome tabs, all at the same time. It clocks up to 5.7 GHz, meaning your gameplay is buttery smooth, and your PC is running at max speed 24/7. The only downside? This CPU needs serious cooling, and it's not the cheapest. But if you're looking for a processor that can do it all, this is the ultimate power move. Sliding in at number 4, we have the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X, aka the processor for people who love to push their PC to the limits. With 12 cores and 24 threads, this CPU is a multitasking machine. It's unlocked for overclocking, meaning you can crank up the speed and squeeze every bit of performance out of it. Whether you're gaming, editing, or 3D rendering, this processor destroys heavy workloads. The only catch? It needs high-end cooling and a solid motherboard to handle the power. But if you want next-level performance, this CPU is a beast worth taming. At number 5, we've got the Intel Core i9 14900K, and if you're a die-hard Intel fan, this is the CPU for you. With 24 cores, 8 performance plus 16 efficiency, integrated graphics, and unlocked overclocking, this CPU is an absolute powerhouse. You don't even need a dedicated GPU to start gaming. But let's be real, you'll still want one. The only downside? Power consumption is high, and cooling is a must. But if you want a high-end Intel processor that dominates gaming and productivity, the i9 14900K is a no-brainer. At number 6, we have the Ryzen 9 5900X. And let me tell you, this 12-core, 24-thread CPU is one of the best performance per dollar picks out there. This CPU destroys multitasking, making it perfect for streamers, gamers, and creators. It's power efficient, meaning it won't turn your PC into a space heater, and it's unlocked for overclocking if you want to push it even further. The only downside? No integrated graphics, so you'll need a GPU. But for the power and price, the Ryzen 9 5900X is an absolute steal. At number 7, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, a solid pick for mid-range gamers who want strong performance without going overboard on budget. It's unlocked for overclocking, meaning you can push it past its limits, and its advanced cooling tech keeps things from overheating. However, it does consume more power than lower-end models, so keep that in mind. If you want smooth gaming without spending a fortune, This CPU is a fantastic choice. At number 7, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 9700X, a solid pick for mid-range gamers who want strong performance without going overboard on budget. It's unlocked for overclocking, meaning you can push it past its limits, and its advanced cooling tech keeps things from overheating. However, it does consume more power than lower-end models, so keep that in mind. If you want smooth gaming without spending a fortune, this CPU is a fantastic choice. And that wraps up our list of the top 8 best gaming processors. So, which one are you picking for your gaming setup? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic tech content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. I'll catch you in the next one. Game on!